Hi everyone, I'm Arnes, and I wanted to answer the question, how to make my skin look younger and smooth. I'm in beautiful La Jolla, California, and I'm loving it here. It's so nice because there's actually humidity in the air and my skin is just soaking it up. So that's the first tip that I want to do, is just moisturize. Drinking a lot of water and then putting a moisturizer on your face every single day. So another thing we want to do to make our skin look smoother is to exfoliate. And one of my favorite ways of exfoliating, you can go do it right now. Just grab a lemon from your kitchen, cut it, and just rub it on your face. And what that does is the acid eats away in a very natural form, using the antioxidants to take off that first layer of your skin. And then go and put your moisturizer on right after. It'll just penetrate really deeply and it starts to heal, and you get that beautiful glow that makes you look so much younger. So being the owner of Eternal Gold Skincare, it's my passion to have people love the skin they're in, but to do it in a really fun way. So I have also a mask on my website. It's called the Copper Peptide Seaweed Mask. So if I was at home, I would actually be applying the lemon, then applying the mask right after. And this is going to bring those peptides into the cells, because the peptides are going to allow the cells to regenerate in a healthier way. So there's so many fun things out there. It's so easy. Another great one is to put strawberries on your face. Fruits are amazing. They have amazing antioxidants and all those really healthy acids that aren't going to harm your skin, because we don't want to treat the skin, we want to heal the skin. So to find out more, go to my website. It's eternalgoldskincare.com, and you can actually sign up for a free consultation right there on the site. I hope to speak to you then. Take care.